My name is Peter O'Shea. I'm the owner of American Dry Basement Systems. I'd like to tell you about our incredible warranty. Our warranty at American Dry Basement Systems is the most powerful guarantee warranty in the industry. It goes miles further than any other company. Where other companies get tied up in small print and technicalities, our warranty is straightforward, gimmick-free, and incredibly comprehensive. We first determine what type of foundation you have, then exactly what's causing your problem. Then we customize your system to your exact needs. Next comes a flawless installation that incorporates dust suppression, our proprietary concrete products, Supercrete and Super Slurry, the technical know-how, and an unparalleled commitment to excellence. At American Dry Basement Systems, we feel that our properly installed waterproofing system will keep your basement perfectly dry for the entire time the owner, you, hold title to your home, and if you ever decide to sell your home, our warranty guarantee will be and is transferable to the next owner for the entire time they hold title to their home. This system we install is perpetually self-cleaning, in other words, maintenance-free, where other companies actually require maintenance or even service contracts at a charge each and every year to keep their warranty intact. At American Dry, we guarantee that you'll never spend one penny on maintenance. Our belief is that if the system clogs with soil, it's either the wrong system for your type of foundation or it was a bad installation. The customer should get their money back. In either case, we will refund every penny of the contract price for your waterproofing system. On top of that, we will repair your system so it's working perfectly and continue to keep you 100% under the original warranty. If floor cracking occurs after the installation of a waterproofing system, it's a strong indication that it's the wrong system for that particular type of foundation. We go so far as to guarantee no floor cracking. If there is any cracking, we will repair any and all cracks at no charge to you, the customer. If you noticed, we put a lot of emphasis on the right system for your type of foundation. Why? Because we get this part right, and we're able to customize a waterproofing system to any particular type of foundation. It gives us the ability to offer a guarantee warranty that nobody else in the entire basement waterproofing industry can even come close to. If you've liked what you've heard so far, I urge you to pick up the phone and give us a call. We're American Dry Basement Systems, and we're just better.